Today unboxing is on a very interesting casting, the Mercedes-Benz Vito from Era Car Hong Kong. Big thanks to Era Car for sending this to me to review for you. We have the pair of Taiwan taxi on the left, and on the right is a civilian Vito with a China ambulance. And now let's take a closer look at the first special edition Vito Taiwan taxi. It comes in a very standard Era Car packaging. Wow, this casting is huge with ultra realistic details. Very awesome. Comes with a side mirror with plastic, very nice and realistic wheel set, and also a roof rack to my surprise. What I really like are the opening features without compromising the realism. The opening rear, which shows the spacious interior. I believe this is a 6-seater. And on the front, it comes with an opening hood to reveal the compartment. What I really like is the Mercedes logos with the grille. On the front, it looks ultra realistic and ultra presentable. Next, another version of the Taiwan taxi. I think this came with the company. It's called 大都会计程车. I haven't been to Taiwan for like about 10 years, but I'm very sure that this is the actual taxi that's on the street in Taiwan. Any of my Taiwanese viewers who are looking at this video, you can feel free to comment. Of course, since this is in Taiwan, the livery also comes in traditional Chinese. It's ultra realistic, and it's super huge in 1:64 scale. I definitely will be in luck if I come across a taxi that's as huge as this. Same specs, that comes in different livery. The only difference is one has a roof rack, the other doesn't. Next, the Mercedes-Benz Vito in white. Wow, very impressive, especially on the front. It's a job well done by Era Car. I think they nailed it. With an opening compartment, same as the taxi, to reveal the spacious interior. And lastly, the Mercedes-Benz Vito in China ambulance. Wow, wow, wow. This is freaking awesome. Believe this is the mother of all ambulance. This is the casting that I definitely will do a special feature. Already an ambulance collector, but this is definitely my must-have. Just look at the light bar. It's ultra realistic. Even the crest in Chinese, it says 中国急救, which means China Rescue. Truly impressive in the ambulance deco, with two similar features as compared with the others, and that's the opening rear as well as the front. Very happy that it comes with a bonus component. I believe that's the stretcher. Just look at the stretcher, it's very cute in 1:64 scale, and it fits into the casting like a charm. More Era Cars unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!